Haha. I got a new exhaust on the bike. It's a GP tip. It literally comes out right underneath my foot. It's gonna be great. Ah, it's so much louder. Fuck yeah. I'm only concerned about melting my plastics, to be honest. God damn. So earlier my GoPro died, so I didn't get any good sound clips. That's what this is. Let's go! God damn! I was like 4th gear, I think, maybe 3rd? God, holy fuck! So this is a Radiant Cycles Shorty GP tip. It's just a tip on it. It's pretty much just a catback. The tip itself is like 4 inches long. It's literally just a little bit longer than my hand. I do plan on getting a... Hold on. Hell yeah. I do plan on getting it mapped to this. Having the ECU flash and all that, or maybe even a power commander, have it retuned. And I want to fix that still. Noticed absolutely no loss in power. If anything, there's been a gain in power. Alright, I'm gonna hang it right here. I'm gonna whip a Yui somewhere else. I normally turn around there, but I like... It's a nice day out. I'm in my short sleeves. I want to ride longer. Solid 105 pull, untucked, I'll take it. The bike feels more angry, like it's faster, but I don't know how true that is. It might just be me thinking louder equals faster. Which is also entirely possible. I'm gonna downshift for this one, see if I can get some good corner here. Brother, that's how you fucking do it. I keep on thinking I'll turn around here, These aren't good roads to turn around on. They're all dirt. I don't want to ride on dirt. The only concern I actually have, like I know I can ride this without mapping it, but I want it to run as best it can. So my only concern currently is melting the plastics on it, but at the same point, the exhaust came out there anyway, so I don't see what the difference is. It's just a bit shorter. I'm sure I'm pissing off a lot of people because this bike is fucking stupid loud now. I did not wheel it like you wanted to. I tried to power wheel it. Actually, no, he was doing the up thing, so I'll take that as he wanted to hear it. So I don't give a fuck. It's my bike. I ride it how the fuck I want to ride it. If someone wants to see a wheelie, look it up on YouTube, damn it. I'm not a wheelie guy yet. I'm a haul ass guy. Slow down coming back through because there's normally turkeys on the right hand side up here. I don't feel like getting turkey to the chest. So what do y'all think of the exhaust so far? I fucking love it. So earlier when I did 130, I like it how this bike's 22 years old, right? It's a 2001. This bike, despite being 22 years old, still reaches other bikes' top speeds with more gears to go. And I love that. I mean, it might not be like, holy shit, it's a monster, but it moves for what it is. Make sure that's not a cop first. No, I don't think it is.